Hello everybody, we will talk about the length function of strings and a list. So len is a function which takes an object and returns the n number of elements in it. If it takes a string, it will return the number of alphabets or spaces in the uh, uh, string. But if it is a list, it will return the number of elements. So this is very simple one. Uh, the only thing is that I don't have any print here and I'm asking for the output. So certainly I am asking for any like idle mode, or you can say script mode or interactive mode. So if I'm on the interactive mode and if I give this and if I hit enter, I will get 13 because it counts all the alphabets including the spaces. So let's say if I have simple string, let's say xyz, it is a string. So I have 3, but if I have same string but with ending and starting space before, if I give this, it will become 5. So the only thing is that you have to say that space does matter here. So you have to keep in mind when you are, so this was there and it will definitely not give you an output if you have it in a file and code. But if you have a print and enclose this whole length function in the print, it will give you output. So if I save and F5, it gives me the same output thing. So the difference is the only main concept was to that you first you include spaces. The other thing is that if you have, let's say like here we had 1 2 and 3. So when you are counting the length, it starts from 1 2 and 3. But if you are doing like if you say what is the index of z in this string, it will be 0. So indices are counted from 0, but length is counted from 1. So also if you can get help from Python documentation also. So if you say Python length function, so I will get like on Python 3.4, so Python 3 documentation, I can go and I can see their len function. There are the built-in functions also, but len is one. Len turns the length, the number of items of an object. The argument can be list or tuple or anything. So also if you go here, this Python tutorials point is also a really good one. It gives you help on different uh, Python concepts. So list length is one of them. And if you say like they have one example, very basic one. So let's say I will try this out. So here I will just use the one list, not the two lists. So list 1 has 1 2 3 x y z. So it has one integer, another string and another string. So if I say yes, this is my list. Oops, sorry. List 1 has, so you can see if you have length of list 1, it takes an object, it will return 3. So number of items in the list are 3. But the good thing about list is that each item is very formally separated with a comma, which is not the case in the string. So here we can say that number of items are like 3 here, but there is no separator here. Only one character is counted as an item in the string. The good thing about the list is that each item is properly separated with a comma, and we can easily find the number of items here. And the confusion comes in the list, the string also, when there is an empty space. Some people may not count the space and end up saying that this one and this one both have the same number of items, but it's wrong. And so that was all about this question. It had nothing to do, you can easily say that because I am asking the output, so means that what will be the output of it. It will, if you make it a interactive mode, then you will get an output which is 13 here, counting these empty spaces also. And if you want to count as a code and the script mode, then it should have enclosed into a print statement. And right now this is a study guide for, so it had open answer, so that you can try and see what's the answer. So hopefully this helped, and let me know if you still have any other questions or more. Thank you.